Islam, one of the world's major religions, emerged in the 7th century in the Arabian Peninsula. The religion was founded by the Prophet Muhammad, who is considered the last and final messenger of God. Muhammad received revelations from God, and these teachings were compiled into the Quran, the holy book of Islam. After Muhammad's death, Islamic empire began to expand, and by the 8th century, Islam had spread across the Middle East, North Africa, and parts of Europe. These empires were known for their advancements in science, medicine, architecture, and art. However, Islam faced challenges such as internal conflicts, sectarian divisions, and invasions from other empires. Over time, different schools of thought developed within Islam, including Sunni and Shia branches. During the Golden Age of Islam, which lasted from the 8th to the 14th century, scholars made significant contributions to various fields of knowledge. Muslim scientists and philosophers paved the way for advancements in mathematics, medicine, astronomy, and the preservation of classical Greek and Roman works. The Ottoman Empire, one of the largest Islamic empires, dominated much of southeastern Europe, Western Asia, and North Africa from the 14th to the early 20th century. Colonialism in the 19th and 20th centuries caused significant changes in Muslim-majority countries, leading to political and social transformations. In more recent history, there has been an increase in awareness and understanding of Islam as a global religion with a diverse range of cultures and traditions. Today, there are over 1.8 billion Muslims around the world, making Islam the second largest religion globally. Islam has left a lasting impact on world history through its contributions to intellectual, cultural, and scientific advancements.